5 seconds. Subhash Chandra Bose was a great Indian nationalist. Stop. People even today know him by love for his country. Stop. This true Indian man was born on the 23rd of January in 1897. Stop. Most noteworthy, he fought with bravery against the British rule. Stop. Subhash Chandra Bose was certainly a revolutionary freedom fighter. Stop. Para change. The participation of Subhash Chandra Bose took place with the civil disobedience movement. Stop. This is how Subhash Chandra Bose became part of the Indian independence movement. Stop. He became a member of the Indian National Congress. Stop. Also, in 1939 he became the party president. Stop. However, this was for a short time only because of his resignation from this post. Stop. Para change. The British put Subhash Chandra Bose under house arrest. Stop. This was because of his opposition to British rule. Stop. However, due to his cleverness, he secretly left the country in 1941. Stop. He then went to Europe to seek help against the British. Stop. Most noteworthy, he sought the help of Russians and Germans against the British. Stop. Para change. Subhash Chandra Bose went to Japan in 1943. Stop. This was because the Japanese gave their agreement to his appeal for help. Stop. In Japan, Subhash Chandra Bose began the formation of Indian National Army. Stop. Most noteworthy, he did the formation of a provisional government. Stop. The Axis powers during the Second World War certainly recognized this provisional government. Stop. Para change. The Indian National Army attacked the northeastern parts of India. Stop. Furthermore, this attack took place under the leadership of Subhash Chandra Bose. Stop. Also, the INA was successful in capturing a few portions. Stop. Unfortunately, there was the surrender of INA due to weather and Japanese policy. Stop. However, Bose made his refusal to surrender clear. Stop. He escaped on a plane, but this plane most probably crashed. Stop. Due to this, Subhash Chandra Bose died on 18 August 1945. Stop. Para change. First of all, Subhash Chandra Bose strongly supported the complete independence of India. Stop. In contrast, the Congress Committee initially wanted independence in phases, through dominion status. Stop. Furthermore, Bose was elected President of Congress for 2 consecutive terms. Stop. But due to his ideological conflicts with Gandhi and Congress, Bose took resignation. Stop. Bose was against Mahatma Gandhi's approach of non-violence. Subhash Chandra Bose was a supporter of violent resistance. Stop. Para change. Subhash Chandra Bose saw Second World War as a great opportunity. Stop. He saw this as an opportunity to take advantage of British weakness. Stop. Also, he went to USSR, Germany, and Japan to seek help. Stop. He led the INA to the fight against the British. Stop. Subhash Chandra Bose was a strong believer in Bhagavad Gita. Stop. It was his belief that Bhagavad Gita was a great source of inspiration for the fight against the British. Stop. He also held Swami Vivekananda's teachings in high esteem. Stop. Para change. In conclusion, Subhash Chandra Bose is an unforgettable national hero. Stop. He had tremendous love for his country. Stop. Furthermore, this great personality sacrificed his whole life for the country. Stop. Para change. Lal Bahadur Shastri was born on 22nd October 1904 at Mughal Sarai in Uttar Pradesh in India. Stop. His father's name was Sarda Prasad and he was a school teacher. Stop. His mother's name was Ram Dulari Devi. Stop. Lal Bahadur Shastri's father died when he was only 1 year old. Stop. He has 2 sisters. Stop. After his father's death, his mother Ram Dulari Devi took him and his 2 sisters to her father's house and settled down there. Stop. Parachange. Since childhood, Lal Bahadur Shastri was very honest and laborious. Stop. Lal Bahadur Shastri was graduated with a first-class degree from the Kashi Vidyapeeth in 1926. Then he was given the title Shastri Scholar. Stop. Lal Bahadur Shastri acquired virtues like boldness, love of adventure, patience, self-control, courtesy, and selflessness in his childhood. Stop. In order to participate actively in the freedom movement, Lal Bahadur Shastri compromised even with his studies. Stop. Lal Bahadur Shastri got married to Lalita Devi. Stop. And both Lal Bahadur Shastri and his wife blessed with 6 children. Stop. Para change. Lal Bahadur Shastri was drawn toward the national struggle for freedom when he was a boy. Stop. He was very impressed by Gandhiji's speech, which was delivered on the foundation ceremony of Banaras Hindu University. Stop. After that, he became a loyal follower of Gandhi and then after jumped into the freedom movement. Stop. Because of this, he had to go to jail many times. Stop. Lal Bahadur Shastri was always believed that self-sustained and self-reliance as the pillars to build a strong nation. Stop. Lal Bahadur Shastri wished to be remembered by his work rather than well-rehearsed speeches proclaiming lofty promises. Stop. He was always against the prevailing caste system and therefore decided to drop his surname, and after his graduation, he got Shastri surname. Stop. Para change. In 1947, after India got independence, Lal Bahadur Shastri got the portfolio of Transport and Home Ministry. Stop. In 1952, he was given the Railway Ministry. Stop. When Jawaharlal Nehru died, Lal Bahadur Shastri succeeded him as the Prime Minister for a very short time of only 18 months. Stop. In 1965 war, he got his achievements after the victory on Pakistan. Stop. On 11th January 1966, he got a severe heart attack and he died. Stop. Para change. Lal Bahadur Shastri was the second Prime Minister of India. Stop. He was a great man as well as a great leader and was re-awarded by Bharat Ratna. Stop. He gave a famous slogan, Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. Stop. Lal Bahadur Shastri utilized the time in reading the social reformers and Western philosophers. Stop. He was always against the dowry system and so refused to take dowry from his father-in-law. Stop. Lal Bahadur Shastri tackled many elementary problems like food shortage, unemployment, and poverty. Stop. To overcome the acute food shortage, Shastri asked the experts to devise a long-term strategy. Stop. This was the beginning of the famous Green Revolution. Stop. Lal Bahadur Shastri was a very soft-spoken person. Stop. Para change. After the Chinese aggression of 1962, India faced another aggression from Pakistan in 1965 during Shastri's tenure, and Lal Bahadur Shastri, showing his mettle and made it very clear that India would not sit and watch. Stop. While granting liberty to the security forces to relate, he said, Stop. Force will be met with force. Stop. Lal Bahadur Shastri was first as the Minister for Transport and Communications and then as the Minister of Commerce and Industry. Stop. In 1961, he was the Minister for Home and formed the Committee on Prevention of Corruption headed by of K. Santanam. Stop. Para change. Lal Bahadur Shastri was also known for his simplicity, patriotism, and honesty. Stop. India lost a great leader. Stop. He had given the talent and integrity to India. Stop. His death was still a mystery. Stop. Lal Bahadur Shastri had political association is Indian National Congress. Stop. He had the political ideologies such as nationalist, liberal, right wing. Stop. Lal Bahadur Shastri is a Hinduism religion. Stop. He was always self-sustained and self-reliant as the pillar to build a strong nation. Stop.